MOJO, an entirely new programming language for all AI developers. MOJO, created by Modular Company. MOJO is a new programming language that bridges the gap between research and production by combining the best of Python syntax with systems programming and metaprogramming. With MOJO, you can write portable code that's faster than C and seamlessly interop with the Python ecosystem. Let's take a look at the syntax of MOJO in comparison with Python. Here you can see the syntax of MOJO on right side and Python on left side. Syntax is much more similar with Python. You may be wondering about a special type of file extension with MOJO. Keep watching to get all such answers about MOJO. MOJO is designed as a superset of Python, so a lot of language features you are familiar with, and the concepts that you know in Python translate directly to MOJO. For instance, a Hello World program in MOJO looks exactly as it does in Python. And as we'll show later, you can also import existing Python packages and use them like you're used to. But MOJO provides a ton of powerful features on top of Python, so that's what we'll focus on in this notebook. Why is it called MOJO? MOJO means a magical charm, or magical powers. A language that brings magical powers to Python, including unlocking an innovative programming model for accelerators and other heterogeneous systems pervasive in AI today. Why did MOJO is built? MOJO is built to solve an internal challenge at Modular, and they are using it extensively in systems such as their inference engine. Their overall mission is to unify AI software, and they can't do that without a unified language that can scale across the AI infrastructure stack. They don't plan to stop at AI. The North Star is for MOJO to support the whole gamut of general-purpose programming over time. Why does MOJO have this Fire file extension? MOJO is paired with Fire emoji as a fun visual way to impart onto users that MOJO empowers them to get their MOJO on, to develop faster and more efficiently than ever before. They also believe that the world can handle a Unicode extension at this point, but you can also just use the .MOJO extension. What kind of developers will benefit the most from MOJO? MOJO initial focus is to bring programmability back to AI, enabling AI developers to customize and get the most out of their hardware. As such, MOJO will primarily benefit researchers and other engineers looking to write high-performance AI operation. Is MOJO only for AI, or can it be used for other stuff? MOJO is a general-purpose programming language. We use MOJO at Modular to develop AI algorithms, but as we grow MOJO into a superset of Python, you can use it for other things like HPC, data transformations, writing pre/post-processing operations, and much more. For examples of how MOJO can be used for other general programming tasks, see the MOJO notebooks. Is MOJO interpreted or compiled? MOJO supports both just-in-time, JIT, and ahead-of-time, AOT compilation. In the MOJO Playground notebook environment, MOJO is being JITD. However, for AI deployment, it's important that MOJO also supports AOT compilation instead of having to JIT compile everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comments. I will back you with satisfactory answers. Please subscribe, share, and comment. Keep engaging and exploring with me.